Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in world sentiment, with a plus 0.07 score and a momentum of plus 0.12. This uptick is particularly striking when compared to our historical baseline, indicating a shift in collective sentiment that's rarely seen. With 20 semantic clusters identified, you can drill down into specific topics driving this change, giving you granular insights into how sentiment is evolving. Imagine leveraging this data to adjust your content strategy in real time, targeting emerging trends and aligning your messaging with the prevailing mood. You get a comprehensive snapshot of sentiment, allowing you to respond proactively. For deeper exploration of our API and how to implement this in your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this momentum together.